Hello? Hmm. That's a rough one. Huh. Yo, so I don't think it's really working. Yeah, hi there. I don't know how long, like I literally reinstalled OBS. I don't know what is happening now or why it's like my connection is fine. My internet is fine. I don't get it. uh okay, I don't know what's going on. Well, I don't know. You might be able to see it, you might not. I don't really know what's going on. You know, that is a rough one. Oh. Hold on a second. Yeah, let's see here. So if we do ping google.com, is that gonna work? Yeah, you see my connection is fine. Internet connection is fine. So I don't know what is going on, but I guess it's somewhat working, so we'll just go with it. I don't know. Like, at this point, it's whatever. Alright. So we're trying to bind a VAO and then draw something to the screen. However, we're never doing like UI shader dot set mat for. Oh, we shouldn't really need to because the viewport. Well, no, that's not true. We're kind of already doing this though. That being said, we do need to actually give it the right shader. Shader, so it's the crosshair shader, and now we need to go down to canvas and actually put in the right one. Let's go. Alright, well, it looks like restream chat isn't. I can't actually see chat. Hold on. Okay, there we go. Hi there. Type ipconfig. Okay, why is test right here? What is going on? Let's go. Yeah, we're back. Woohoo. Why is that so weird? Okay, somewhere, somehow, everything. Oh no, the crosshair's in like a weird spot now. Oh, that's fantastic. The crosshair is not in the center of the screen anymore. I'm like, why is my placing off? And I'm like, oh no, the crosshair's off. that makes a lot of sense though. That being said, the other one is not rendering. So we're supposed to be adding an element and then inside of the canvas here, right? So we do all this. Why is the stream like 2 FPS? Because it's not working. Only like, yeah, I don't know what's going on. Like OBS is just failing today. I don't get it. When will gravity be invented? I don't know. Maybe rendering 2.5 chunks. See, it was working just fine though. Blah blah. It's just for some reason OBS. Like here, I can even show you. OBS is just dropping all these frames. Like here, you can see all the frames that are being dropped, and it's like 83% of them. Like my connection is terrible on OBS, but it is just fine everywhere else. And that's the thing I don't understand. Okay, so bind vertex array VAO. Set back to position. It's dropping while coding, not your program. Maybe restart OBS. Well, I literally reinstalled OBS. Like, I restarted my computer, I restarted OBS, I reinstalled OBS, and it's just not working. I don't know what's going on. I really don't. When are you gonna add a player? At some point. When I add physics. Can you run a test? I want to see the UI. I don't really have UI yet. C++ doesn't suck. What do you mean? I love C++. Okay. So that's a rough one. Anyway, back here, we can deal with doing all that stuff eventually. Restart your Wi-Fi. It's not a problem with the Wi-Fi, though. Like, we could do a speed test. I can't show the speed test because it shows my IP. But we can do a speed test. I'm streaming, so it's probably going to show up lower. But, let me see what this does for me. Yeah, I'm getting like 400 megabits per second download. I don't know what the upload is, I guess. I guess I should probably see. Maybe it's killing my upload speed. Maybe it is the internet and I just didn't actually check the upload speed. No, I have enough upload. Well, yeah, it's going down. I don't know. Maybe the upload speed's bad. What's your upload speed? It's currently... Hold on, I'm waiting for it to be done. Currently 7. Which is still not really explaining why it's that bad, though, I feel. But I don't know why it's so low. I can try to restart the router, but I don't know. Why not compress enough images into just parsing I less than? Because somebody said that this is better. I don't know. 7 whole upload. 7 megabits per second. 7 megabit. Well, you see, I'm just uploading it to Restream, and Restream is the one that's streaming it to both. And now somebody just turned the music on really loud, which is really fun. Great. Either real puppy or Pippy, Pipwai, I don't know. Pie, whatever it is. All right. Image. Okay, so anyway, this doesn't really explain why this isn't working though either. Thought the stream died for a second. Well, it keeps cutting out, I think. I don't know what's going on, but I gotta figure something out. Why is this 1.1? Your audio is completely fine. That is very interesting. Can I do std cout? No, not c. Count. Not count. Oh, wait. Is it working now? I think it's working now. I'm not getting dropped frames anymore. Let's go. Okay. Cout. Rendering. Okay. And then we could do include IO stream. Alright, I think we're good. I think it's working. I'm getting good good FPS. Other corners there are. What's your view on philosophy of mind? What does that mean? Exactly. I don't know. I still don't see a second crosshair on the screen. Oh yeah, I think I keep saying Wi-Fi. Wait, do I keep saying I don't have Wi-Fi anymore, but alright. The viewers went down quite a bit, which sucks because YouTube is like, I don't know what's going on, I don't know what you're doing. You have so many streams and stuff. So it's rip my position in the YouTube algorithm, but oh well. Give up. Oh. Can. Huh? Okay. Like, what is the mind? Is it physical? Is it identical to the brain? Identical with the brain. I don't know. How do you make cave generation? I use 3D noise. Okay, so let's look at this. So we are rendering. Does this work? Do we get the thing? Do we get the thing? We do. It does say rendering in the console here. It's perfect. Didn't lose any viewers over here because we're better. Fair enough. Twitch is the loud minority. That's what I can say of my viewer base here. Like YouTube's just happy to be here, but the 8 Twitch people are like, hey. What are you adding right now? Is it still UI? It's still UI. I'm just failing miserably. Once again, we're struggling to get a triangle to draw on the screen, so I think we're doing a great job, really. Let's see. Do we have, like, is there some reason why this isn't working? Should try to make add ambient inclusion at some point. That is a plan. That is a goal that I have. All right, let me look back at here. Oh, is it failing to get text coordinates? Oh, that might be why. The mushrooms behind. You said that before he said it for me. That's a rough one. Mark and Tori here before 100 million views on vid? Oh boy. It shouldn't be because of this, right? I lost all of my scripts. Hold on. Okay, I found it. Rendering. Dude, no offense, but your game looks like a rip-off of my... The title of this stream is literally adding a UI system to my C++ Minecraft clone. Yes, this is a rip-off of Minecraft. Will you add a hop art inventory in this stream? Well, apparently not, because it's already 8:23, and we still don't have a triangle drawing on the screen. So, yeah, probably not. Okay, rendering. So we need to do use and then set position to image position. Ooh. VAO. And then draw elements. So why isn't it working exactly? Maybe because I have 2. No, wait. Buffer data, this needs to be 4. This is 2. 2, 2, 0. It's good. Not gonna lie, as much as I want to hammer away at my own graphics engine, I'm too tired. Yeah, fair enough. Good night. You were a very chill guy. Thank you. Alright. I know I read that a little bit late, but I'm sorry. I'm catching up to chat. Okay. How do I get... Okay, why is this not functioning? Am I doing something wrong? Let me go to chunk again to where I'm doing rendering code here. Okay, hold on. Let's go up here, actually. So this needs to be the size of the total thing. This needs to be size... No, sorry. This needs to be the size of an individual element. I feel like... Oh, wait. Yeah, it's probably just not rendering anything. Because the texture coordinates are completely stupid. Yeah, I think that's why. Because it's trying to render transparent pixels. I think that's what it is. I think we're trying to render transparent pixels and it's just not happening. So let me try... actually making texture coordinates. 0f 1.0f. Oh wait, why do we only have why do we only have 2 vertices? What was I thinking? Hold on a second. That could be part of why it's not working, honestly. So 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, and then we can do 0 0 0. Wait, we could just literally do this. Ready? Oh, beautiful. Okay. And then this can be 4. We could do 2, and we can do 1 1 4. 2 times size of float. And we need another one, and then we can do yeah, so that might function now. You'll hammer away at new methods to achieving optimal code, figure out annotations. Yeah. Oh, it's a side product, yes. Does this work? To add redstone in the next 2 hours? There's no way. Okay, we still don't have anything on the screen here, which is fantastic. 2 times size of float. 1 4 4. I think this needs to be 8 and 8. No. Just kidding. What am I talking about? This needs to be 8 though. Okay, let's try that. Why is there still nothing rendering? I don't get it. So sure. Okay. Love it when the most difficult thing is drawing a triangle. I don't understand why, like every other stream, I just try to draw a triangle and it just doesn't work. I'm so bad at programming. Alright. This is the size of that and then the offset of that, and then this is this, and this is everything. Might help you to learn what a loop is. Okay. Yeah, we're generating that, binding the buffer, binding this buffer. We're doing the size of this and the size of that, and we got vertices, indices, pointers. Okay, so then we're binding the VAO here. We're drawing triangles here. We're setting the position here. We're using this. So what is going on exactly? And right now, this isn't the right file. Okay. And right now we are doing this after this here. Oh. What if I try that? Make a channel. That's just uploading a texture pack. Alright. You're just drawing triangles, not using the EBO. Am I thought I was doing draw elements? Is that not right? No, it looks right. I've got nothing constructed to say. Just wanted to let you know it's really fun watching your progress. Thank you. Learn to use a lot of softwares, but I can never get around to coding because it never works out. I think you can get there if you take some time to learn it. Try to missing texture. Well, I can't get a triangle on the screen, so I'm gonna try to figure that one out first. 6. Okay, so yes, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and that is like literally everything that's in here, right? In text codes, yep, that's vec2, vec2. We're doing the projection matrix. We have the position. Putting that. It's a full working Minecraft clone. I can't. This is literally the second time that I've tried to draw a square on the screen and I couldn't. I don't get it. I don't know what I do not understand why I can never draw triangles. Are those numbers correct for the order your vertices are in? It should be. Unless I'm an idiot. This goes from 0 to 1, which is this one here, to 3, which is the top one, and then 0 to 2 to 3. That should be good. What is the Z position? It shouldn't really matter because I'm not doing any like depth testing or anything on it. We're rendering the camera after doing the crosshair. So all like the depth testing, the cold face is done. Stop forgetting how to code is bad for your career. That's fair. And have you got cold face enabled? No. And we are definitely rendering an image. Set vec2. What if I have this wrong? 2f b. All right. OpenGL set vec2. Set uniform vec2. Am I being an idiot? Change shader to hard-coded color output. I can do that. Frag color equals vec4 1. We can certainly try that. Okay, we don't want to do this. Okay, let's try that. Am I stupid is probably the most common question I ask myself while writing code. That is fair. Alright, so now it should have putting a color. But doesn't seem to be working. And apparently, like, I'm not even seeing like a... I can't actually find an answer to the question. Hold on a second. 2F. Yeah, this is 2F. Value.x, value.y. Well, we don't have cool face enabled, so it will render both sides. Okay. And this was definitely named position. Well, yeah, because we know that that part of it is working. And pause and text chords. Those are both vec2. And then text chord. Okay, where do we have this again? Canvas. Okay. Window x minus 100. Window y minus 100. And then 0. And I'm not doing anything stupid, right? Okay, really? Render. What are you rendering from the fragment shader? I'm just literally rendering white. Not doing anything special with it right now because I commented out all that code. But that just does not help me at all. I don't get it. What am I doing wrong? Set back to position. You have a texture bound. We do have a texture bound. Yes. And this is 4 times size of float. 4 times. Oh, excuse me. 2 times size of float for the offset for this. That's 0 and 1 enabled. We have all of these here. And these are all working. This should be correct. It is somehow rendering under everything. We're doing this right while we're doing all the other UI though. I don't get why that would ruin that. Why did it just take so long? Oh, well, now both of the crosshairs are gone. So that's really cool. Hmm. Six. Pre-record. What? Sometimes C++ looks like a normal language, and sometimes it looks like the most cursed language I've ever seen. No, I'd have to agree with you there. Okay, 6 times unsigned int, or size of unsigned int indices. EBO, VBO. Yeah, we're doing all this. So, why aren't you working? Okay. Can we do... Hold on, I gotta find it again. Wait, what is this called? Canvas. Okay, don't tell me that you don't know where oh, I'm in the wrong thing. Crosshair shader. Okay, if we do that, I'm late. C. Which one's better? C sharp or C++? I think they're way too different to say which one's better. Or to like say that one of them is better than the other. Great. You have 16 elements? I do not have 16 elements. Eight or six. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Okay, why? Wait, hold on a second. This shouldn't be it, but let me try. If we do canvas, how do I keep going there? Why is this search? Why is the search thing bigger in application than it is in chunk? If we do a second one, let's set this to 150 and 100. Are we gonna get 2 suddenly? Oh, you suck. What stride are you using? I'm using a stride 2. Well, 2 times as a float. Whoop. Or unless this is stride. One of these is stride. No, that's offset. This is stride. 4. Yes, so we have 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, are you talking about this part? Oh, yeah. I see. Okay. We messed up on everything. I don't get it. I don't get it. No. Okay, we don't need you right now. Go away. Okay. Thank you. Ah. Six. Man, this is not going well anymore, huh? And that's definitely supposed to be the size of that, right? Billboard indices.size times size. Yep. And then the data. And then we go to render it. We render the number of triangles. Yes. So I don't get why that's inverting the colors. Because I have like a line in. It doesn't have anything to do with the shader code. It's just like it's. I don't know. It's interesting. Okay. I really don't get it. I don't get why it's not working. It doesn't make any sense. It really doesn't. Like, hello? Hello? Can you function? That would be really cool if you could do that. Two times size of float for the offset there. That's 0. These are both 4. The stride. Are you just recreating a more stable version? I'm just trying to get it to function. I don't know. GL triangle 6. GL unsigned int 0. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Please, please. Why? Why are you not functioning? This is doing a reference to Crosshair shader. I don't get it. What if we try this? Am I somehow passing in the wrong thing? Okay. First time I ever logged on your stream and all I hear is moaning. What? Okay, this didn't do anything either. Why? Why do I make pigs? When I make entities. An entity system. I don't know. Alright, is there any sort of useful information that'll be good for this? Like, can we do image dot position maybe? Alright, fine. Image dot position dot y. Let's try that. Hey, just got here. What are you trying to do? I am trying to render triangles again. Or like trying to render a square. First time I ever logged in. First time catching my stream. Well, hello there, that guy that codes. Oh wait, whoops, I forgot to actually look to see if any of this is correct. What is because they're integers? Like, I kind of wonder. What would I have so many things open? Jeez. If these were just vec2s. Oh, there we go. Are you going to play a game at 9 still? Yes. I am going to play Factorio at 9. Well, evidently that was the problem. So the canvas. This is a vec2 still. This is so annoying. That's okay, Big Kmart. Why is this not working? Go to definition, value.x, value.y. This is a regular vec2 here. Why is it not working? Let me see. Is it even like doing I see. I don't think it's working at all. Oh, wait. Hold on. I'm still doing IVEC2s for these for some reason. Can I... Is it going to work now? No. No. Okay. I was wondering if you're going to do this for fun or plan to make a game out of it. I do want to make a game out of it eventually. But yeah. Alright, bye, Redwood Steve. Add element. Right now the sizes don't actually do anything. Oh wait. Oh. Oh no. Wait a minute. Canvas. Wait, what if we try? Whoops, not that. What if we try that? It might be because I made it. I made it 1 pixel big, so we couldn't see it. It was working the whole time. It was just I made it 1 pixel, so we just couldn't actually see it. Why am I so bad at programming? No. Every time it's just like the stupidest thing. When are you adding tanks and planes? I'll figure it out eventually. Anyway, I'm playing Factorio at 9. That's the game. Somebody asked that. That is so annoying. I spent nearly 2 hours trying to do this. Went out to eat. How's the UI development going? Well, I spent 2 hours trying to render these squares on the screen. This time, I accidentally made them 1 pixel and was wondering, hey, why isn't it working? And tried to figure out rendering forever. Oh, and also the crosshair's a square now, and it's also no longer centered on the screen. It's going really well, Foxmoss. Don't worry. This is a muck clone, totally. I cannot believe I did that. Also, why are they not squares anymore? Why did they turn into rectangles? Why did they become smaller? Why did they get smaller? I don't understand. Yeah, why do they get smaller after a certain point? It doesn't make any sense. Whatever. I don't care right now. I just want it to function. Okay. Well, doing great, Evan. Thanks, Daydream Studios. One problem at a time. Okay. We're fine. Everything's fine. Everything is perfectly fine. No? Okay. That's a pause logo. It is a pause logo, you're right. See, I'm already centering the crosshair. It's just I'm now adding 100 to it because it's because I'm stupid and bad at programming. So, yeah. Yeah, so I don't know why they get smaller after a while. It doesn't really make any sense to me. But I'm just kind of happy that it works. Yeah, so like this works, and then you know what's really weird? It stops working after the inverted colors start kicking in. So why does it have? Why does it take a while for it to kick in anyway? There's definitely so many issues with this, but you know, GL enable color out. Yeah, we're doing something wrong somewhere probably. Wait, why? Why are we doing this in here? Hold on a second. We're gonna do this out here. I think the GL info might be it's what's making it do weird things. High unknown. Yeah, there we go. Now it's actually working from the start. But what I don't understand is why the size is all screwed up. And it seemingly has something to do with the GL logic op. For some reason. Because of course. Why not? Oh, wait. I think I might know what it is, actually. Ow! Yeah, I know why. Because it's inverting it. But it's inverting, like... These things are inverting each other. So it's just... Because they're overlapping at this 50 pixel interval here. It's overlapping. And so it's inverting it and then inverting it again. And then it just looks like there's nothing there. That's also why... Yeah, that would make a lot of sense, actually. Okay. Cool. I figured it out. Yippee. Okay. So, turns out UI is kind of hard to do. So a few things let me just figure out, or let me like lay out a few things that I want to accomplish with this, okay? So, what I want to do, first of all, is we want to do something, right? Okay, so we need to like actually set the size there. Anyway, okay, so basically what I want to do is have like anchors, so like you can center it, or like top or bottom corners, stuff like that. You can like anchor it, and then that'll do scaling. I want like virtual pixels, which will kind of help with screen scaling stuff. So that way you can have like, say, 300 pixels, and then like whether your screen is, if you have like 300 virtual pixels, then whether your screen is 1920 or if it's 720 or 1440, it'll still look exactly the same because it'll just scale it. So I want to do virtual pixels for that, and I want to do anchors, and then we could kind of do that for there. Yeah, the normalized coordinates. Yeah, I think normalized coordinates is probably a better thing to call it. normalized coordinates. And then for things like scaling with different aspect ratios, that'll be what the anchors are for. But right now, all we have is drawing squares on the screen. So we do need to... I'm trying to figure out if it would be better for me to do something like this, or like, sorry, just like add something to vertices, or if I should try and find some sort of way to scale things up inside of the shader. That is my current thing that I need to try and figure out. But I think it's already pretty much 9. I kind of said that I would do Factorio at 9, so we're gonna do Factorio now. Okay, this is a Factorio stream now. Woohoo! Okay. Here we go. Ignore. Okay, never mind, we're good. I just barely missed 420 hours, by the way. Only knowing scratch, yes. Alright. Alright, we're good now. We can go back to Factorio. I think OBS just crashed, actually. Okay, OBS just gave me a message saying that it crashed. However, it's still going. Oh, and now Factorio crashed. I just joined and he's playing Factorio instead of working. Hey, this is a Factorio stream now. Uh-oh. Well, wait, are we still here? Oh, we're still here.